Here's a quick video on lapping valves by hand and installing valve springs. I just refreshed the heads for my L96 motor. That's a 6-liter Gen 4. These are 823 castings. They are essentially the same as an LS3 head. Valves were good. I cleaned them up. I lapped them. I installed them with some PAC 1218 springs. I'll put a link so you guys can get your sloppy stage 2 springs and cam. I used the stock retainers. I did replace the valve seat / seal with a set from Comp. I'll also put the part number in the description. This special thing, this is a limited edition. You could buy it if you want. I made this. I'll sell this one if you guys want it. It's ugly, but it worked real good, and it cost no dollars because I already had some washers left over from when I put the building together. The building got all the washers it needs. Don't worry about that. They just send extra. They send it by the pound rather than by the quantity. So I had some extra washers. I had to finesse it a little bit. I measured with no tension on it to mark where I needed to weld them together. Welded it. It didn't fit perfect, so I hit it with the grinder and elongated one of the holes, and it worked. Not as good as a store-bought tool, but I didn't want to stop and go to the auto parts store or wait for it to come in the mail from Amazon. So sometimes you just need to make stuff. And this is what I mean when I say get out there and make stuff. It's ugly, it works, and I bet I can do 50 more engines with it if I need to. So, thanks for watching.